Hi guys, Mark here from the Accounting Channel, and today we're going to be talking about the difference between a registered office address, a business correspondence address, and a virtual office address. We're going to be going through what they are, why you need them, and how to get them. So let's get to it. So let's start with registered office address. Every company in Ireland needs a registered office address, according to company law. This has to be a physical address. It cannot be a PO box. You must state the registered office address upon forming your company, but don't worry, this can be changed later. This is the official company address where documents are served and where people can inspect registers or make deliveries by hand. Most companies just use their physical addresses if they have one. For example, a cafe, a restaurant, a salon, a factory or a warehouse. And some people simply use their home address, but keep in mind that this address is published and available on the CRO website at all times. The registered office is the place where the official books and records of the company should be kept, including any registers. It is also the address that you put on all forms to the CRO, for example a B1 annual return or a B5 return of allotments. But what if you don't have an address in Ireland or you don't want to use your home address? Well, you can use our address as your official registered office address. And this service only costs €240 per year. So click on the link below to purchase it for your company now. But why choose us for your registered office address? It means that your home address is kept private. You don't have to use it anymore, so no one will know where you live. We open, scan and forward all CRO documents that come to us straight to the company directors. What's more, we are a Dublin-based company, so you'll have a Dublin-based address. So what's a business correspondence address then? Simply put, this is an address where all business correspondence can go to, and then we can forward it straight to the director's home address or abroad. Again, we open, scan and forward all correspondence that comes to us straight to the company directors. And this can be correspondence from the revenue commissioners, from the CRO, it can be bank statements, it can even be expense invoices. But why get a business correspondence address anyway in the first place? Well, number one, it makes the company look more professional. It doesn't seem as if you were working straight out of your guest bedroom or your kitchen table. Number two, it's great for Google. In local SEO searches, your company will appear. So if you are a company that is based outside of Ireland or down the country in Ireland and you want to access the Dublin market, it's better for you to have a local Dublin address. Number three, you can go paperless. So no more getting paper straight to your door. We will scan and forward all correspondence to you directly in an electronic format, so you don't have to deal with a paper mess. Number four, it keeps your home address private, so no one knows where you live. It's important to keep in mind that this is not a trade address. You will still have to tell revenue where you actually conduct your business. That is an online business, for instance. And this service only costs €540 per year, and you can get it for your company right away. I'll drop a link in the description below. Then what is a virtual office? Well, a virtual office is a combination of the business correspondence address and the registered office. You can tell revenue that it's your official registered office, and you can tell your customers and suppliers on your website or your marketing material that this is where all correspondence should go. This service only costs €60 per month, excluding VAT, and you can get it now by clicking on the link below in the description. So there you have it, some useful services for your company should you wish to get an address in Dublin, or for local search in Google, or just so people don't know where you actually live and it looks more professional for your company. If you have any questions in relation to this, please don't hesitate to contact us on info@firstaccounts.ie. Thank you.